I know that.
Yeah.
So we're recording and we're live. Here we are.
You're supposed to be a model. Try to make it look good.
I just naturally am. Like I don't have to try. Just.
Oh my god. This is actually sick. You're gonna take a picture of what?
Of you and your cleavage with the nature.
Which way to the beach?
Look at all the spider webs.
Huh?
Ew.
Don't ew at my smile, you ass.
That was the scariest thing ever. Ow! Don't
We're making
hit
the
me.
trail.
Okay, go. I just scaled that. A little bit cut up. Now, where is this? And ice, actually. That's Dustin. What's up? And this is the next waterfall that we might end up scaling. Hopefully not though, because I'm not trying to die today. Badass. Some water. Yeah, but that's what we're doing. Don't I look cute? I have to be very quiet. But as you can see right here, we see the legendary Tarzan in his natural habitat. Hands down the prettiest hike I've ever been on. Except we had to do it the hard way. Oh my gosh.
That was not like that before.
That is so cool though.
What?
What's up, Smith?
Cool. This thing is still rolling.
Isn't that sweet though?
Uh huh. Put a smile on, girl. Horrible. Even better. Go ahead.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, ready? Do, no.
Sure.
Why are you looking like such a stud?
What?
God man, me and my bike gang hanging out.